Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my salmon patties. For this recipe, I'm using 1 can of salmon. I'm going to open this and drain it. Now, as you can see, there are bones in there, but you don't have to worry about the bones. This is fully cooked, so they are so soft. You don't even know they're in there. So I'm just going to take my fork and flake this. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. To that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped green bell pepper, a 1/4 cup of plain breadcrumbs, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, one teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 beaten egg. I'm going to mix this really good until everything is combined. I completely forgot about this recipe. This is something we used to make a lot when we just got married. I'm switching over to my spatula because I want to make sure that this is thoroughly mixed together. I'm going to divide this into 6 equal portions, and I like to use my ice cream scoop to do that. Okay, now I'm just going to shape them into patties. Now you can make them how thick or thin you want, but I like them this size. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's like right in the middle. Okay, after you made all your patties, you're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them set for 20 minutes. And that's just so they can hold their shape better when you fry them up. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And that's the oil I use right now to cook, but you can use any oil you have on hand. You don't need a whole lot of oil. You're not trying to deep fry them. I'm going to let these cook for 4 minutes on each side. To turn them, I find that it helps to use another spatula to hold them, so when you flip it over, you don't feel like you're going to break your patty because they're so delicate. To serve these up, I like to add some tartar sauce to it. Now if you want to see how I make my homemade tartar sauce, stay tuned for my next video. Oh my goodness, I forgot how good these were. Like I said, we used to make them all the time. And if you're someone that don't like fish or think you're not going to like this, I hope you give this one a try because you really don't feel like you're eating fish. As always, thank you so much for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.